This video is sponsored by Caleb and Brown. They help their clients buy, sell, and swap cryptocurrencies with a 24/7 personal broker service. Sign up today. Let's move on to our next one where, Reddit, what did you do? Reddit sold off most of its Bitcoin in September, the SEC filing shows. Now, why would you do that? They just weren't patient enough. Like, October was coming. People in the beginning of October were like, oh, you said this was going to be October. Like, where are the pricing? Well, we got it now. It's still October, so we are in October now. So you just had to be patient, but looks like Reddit was not. Let's go through this article and see how much they actually sold. So Reddit sold the majority of its cryptocurrency holdings, mainly dominated by Bitcoin, before Bitcoin started pumping up in October, as revealed in its latest Securities and Exchange Commission filing. The news comes as Bitcoin has experienced a significant price gain that cryptocurrency traders have coined the term Uptober. In its SEC filing, the company said that during the 3 months ended in September on the 30th, we sold the majority of our cryptocurrency portfolio, which consisted primarily of Bitcoin and Ether. Now, Reddit missed the windfall by a whisker. Reddit sold its Bitcoin at the price between $54,000 and $68,000 before it could cash in on a potential windfall as the cryptocurrency soared to $73,000. Now, although Reddit did not disclose the amount of cryptocurrency that was disposed of, but it did maintain that the sale was immaterial. The net carry-out value of the cryptocurrency, as well as the gain recognized on sale, was immature for the periods presented. However, the company said that Bitcoin and Ether sold in this period to September 2024 were only in their portfolio in order to fulfill treasury purposes. Reddit added that the company needed board approval in order to execute any future cryptocurrency investments according to its investment policy. Now, any investments by us in cryptocurrencies for treasury purposes are limited to Bitcoin, Ether, and any other cryptocurrency that the SEC and other investment regulatory boards do not deem to be security through a public statement. Reddit said in its filing. So I guess that means they can hold on to Litecoin. Yeah, let's go Litecoin. I still love that coin out there. But the company acknowledged that it is difficult to execute as they are risk-based judgments and not guided by regulatory developments. Now, according to Forbes, the Bitcoin-led cryptocurrency rally is the result of a combination of factors. The hedge fund investors have bet on Bitcoin as a safe haven against inflation, which is projected to be driven by government policies backed by presidential candidates like Kamala Harris and Donald Trump. Now, economists believe that the world will see the U.S. debt soar by trillions of dollars and that the Federal Reserve, which cut interest rates earlier, will fail to tame inflation. Now, on the other hand, the price rally has coincided with the rising odds of Trump's presidency, which, despite his previous stance on cryptocurrency, has emerged to be pro-Bitcoin, as he is advocating for a strategic national Bitcoin stockpile. Now, here's that post from Bitcoin Magazine saying that Reddit just sold its majority of its Bitcoin. It's like, pumping in October. So, oof. So Bitcoin Magazine getting a jab at them. But Reddit shares rallied on a strong Q3 earnings. On the New York Stock Exchange, Reddit shares gained about 41% on Wednesday to $116 per share after the company reported a $30 million net income for the third quarter. The third quarter net income beat estimates and was coming from $7.4 million loss in the same quarter in 2023. Now, the company expects a Q4 revenue to reach between $385 million and $400 million, above the average analysis estimate of $357.9 million. Now, it was another strong quarter for Reddit and our communities as we achieved important milestones, including new levels of user traffic, revenue growth, and profitability. The firm has a quite history with cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin and Ethereum, as it began with its plans to integrate blockchain technology within its platform. Reddit introduced the Vault cryptocurrency wallet and collectible avatars, which allows users to own digital items on Ethereum's blockchain via Polygon Matic. However, since these developments, the company has distanced itself from recent cryptocurrency initiatives such as the Moons token and collectible expressions, which were later abandoned. Now, in its SEC filing, the company said it has doubts about the long-term adoption of blockchain, noting that cryptocurrency speculative risks and the Reddit app still carries the Vault wallet and allows users to access crypto rewards despite the firm reducing its crypto investments. Now, Reddit's actions indicate a more cautious approach to blockchain, despite over 18 million tokens of their collectible avatars having been minted on it through it. So yeah, so they're still being very, very cautious about it. But nah, they just should have been more patient. They should have held on, and they could have had better quarter earnings. Especially now, it's like I don't know why they would give up a majority of it, but that's okay. Like if they're going to sell it, people like you, me, and big guys like MicroStrategy are going to be buying it up. And hey, even like Microsoft's doing their voting process right now. If they're going to start adding Bitcoin to their treasury, so finger crossed they do, because that's like $500 billion or a trillion. I think I covered that in an article. So fingers crossed.